Did you know foreplay starts at breakfast? When our sex life becomes routine, or worse, rarely gets to be much at all, we might catch ourselves feeling that we'd love to put the spark back into our relationship. But how? Hi, I'm Amanda, co-founder of Retune.Life, and we run workshops to help couples reconnect, as well as individual and couple relationship coaching. Your partner once liked sex, and you probably have fond memories of that time. However, we can lose our mojo at times, as libido can be an elusive thing, and hormones and stress can contribute to the ebb and flow as well in both women and men. Desire, lust, being in the mood are all responses to the feelings created from the everyday interactions with your partner that maintain emotional connection. Don't underestimate the perfect cup of coffee you make your partner in the morning, or your Sunday winter ritual of making a cafe-style breakfast together. Many couples that I coach lament that the passion has gone from their relationship, that the fire has died. Sadly, it's a common story. Life gets hectic, work is stressful, the kitchen's a mess, lockdown kids, I get it. But I don't think we have to become victims of that story. And it definitely doesn't mean that we have to stop kissing. Did you know? Kissing creates a hormonal cocktail, inducing oxytocin and dopamine while reducing the stress hormone cortisol. It's been scientifically proven that when you kiss for 6 seconds, the hormonal cocktail is fired up. So saying hi, how was your day, with a 6-second kiss will do more than you realize. I know I can take for granted the kisses I give and receive at the end of each day. Do you? A 6-second kiss is a kiss with potential. And you don't necessarily have to attach it to sex. In fact, don't. Let the kiss speak for itself. I mean, if it leads to sex, great. But don't make sex the goal. Simply try connecting with your partner with a long, slow, deep, soft, wet kiss. What if you tried it for 2 weeks? Challenge accepted. The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman identifies ways we want to receive and experience love. The 5 love languages are quality time, physical touch, acts of service, gifts, and words of affirmation. You may possibly resonate with 1 or 2 of them. When we receive love the way we want it, we feel our partner gets us. Sometimes it feels like they're reading our mind. However, my husband says sometimes that's a scary thing. When we know each other's love languages, it makes life so much easier, as we can navigate our way to contribute to our partner's happiness. No more guessing, especially for the men. I recommend doing the free online 5 love languages quiz. It's a bunch of clever, short questions that will quickly give you and your partner your primary love languages. Be aware though, that once you know your partner's primary love languages, you can't now unknow. Showing up for each other in a positive way, with awareness that everything you do and say nurtures the fertile soil of the relationship field, which I covered in episode 3. So, everything you do, every interaction you have with your partner, from the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, is foreplay. What are you doing to start your day off well? I hope you found this RETUNE snippet insightful and helpful, and a reminder that foreplay starts at breakfast. Join me in episode 7, where I'll explore triggers, those incredibly emotional buttons that when pushed can get rather interesting. If improving your relationship is something you'd like to explore, you can reach out to me here via personal message or via the Retune.Life website.